Hi everyone, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. At yun nga tweet ni Chani, sa dami na nag-greet sa kanya, si Baby Girl lang talaga nireplyan niya online. Sa bagay totoo yun. At next naman ay post ng GMA Network Instagram, Barbie and David's message for each other may be short and sweet but it's full of kilig. Ay naku, mas masaya sana kung magkasama sila today. Pakailamero. At next naman ay yung pagpo-post ni David Licauco sa Twitter ng Beauty Empire nang walang caption ay niretweet nga to ni Barbie at sabi niya thank you po, diba, with love. At next naman ay article ng GMA Integrated News, Barbie Fortesa shares birthday wish for David Licauco, tease return of Barda very soon. David Licauco marked his 31st birthday on Sunday and Barbie Fortesa did not let his special day end without sending him birthday greeting on social media. On Monday's contract signing of GMA Pictures and Warner Brothers Philippines for the distribution of the upcoming horror film P77, the Kapuso primetime princess expounded her birthday message for the Pambansang Ginoo in an interview with Nelson Canlas of GMA Integrated News. Barbie lauded on how hardworking David is and for being hands-on with his business ventures. So she said that he truly deserves to celebrate his birthday and take a break. Ngayon, nag-celebrate na siya ng birthday, nagbakasyon siya, deserve niya kasi grabe talaga siyang magtrabaho, Barbie said. Kaya rin naman yun ang mensahe ko sa kanya na sana palagi kang masaya, malusog, she added. Basta ang wish ko sa kanya, every night he goes to sleep, masaya siya. Aside from Barbie, P77, which stands for Penthouse 77, will also star Ewan Micael, Gina Perenya and Jack Blanco. The film is directed by Derek Cabrido, the filmmaker behind the Metro Manila Film Festival entry Malyari, which was produced by GMA Pictures and Clever Minds. It was written by Enrico Santos and the story of Anchan Chensa and Exchen Juliao. When asked about the comeback of the Barda Love Team, Barbie said that fans should keep their eyes peeled because they are set to return on their screens very soon. Ay wow! Ayun na nga, so excited for the Barda comeback. Sa Sa Beauty Empire. Abangan natin. And another article by GMA Integrated News, GMA Pictures has formally inked its partnership with Warner Brothers Philippines for the distribution of upcoming horror film P77. Uy, grabe. At niretweet nga ito ni Barbie na may cry at saka pray icon. At next ay post ni Barbie Fortesa sa Instagram, oh, here she comes, Beauty Empire directed by Mark De La Cruz. Ayan nga, the pretty Miss Barbie Fortesa na pang masquerade ball ang atake. At next ay post ng Sparkle GMA Artist Center, Barbie Fortesa steps into the darkness in P77. GMA Pictures teams up with Warner Bros. Philippines for the upcoming horror film P77, starring Barbie Fortesa in her boldest role yet. The partnership brings together GMA Executive Attorney Annette Gosen Valdez and Warner Bros. Philippines Rico Gonzalez with Barbie and the film's creators fully on board. Fear has a new face. P77 haunts cinemas this July 30. Ayun na nga, Barbie na parang naka-sports bra lang sa loob, pero ang ganda nung kanyang suot na green na parang Americana. At yan si Miss Annette at si Miss Nessa. At yan, napaka-pretty si Barbie Fortesa. O diba, Warner Brothers na hindi distribute ng movie niya. At next sa Instagram story ni Genre, Barbie Fortesa for P77. At next naman is more pictures of Barbie for that contract signing. And napakasaksing si Barbie. Na-plot na yung tiyan. Doon sa PBB medyo malumaki yung tiyan niya doon. At next naman ay tweet ni Johaima Pascual. GMA Network, ikunento ni Buboy Villar kung paano niya sinundan si Barbie Fortesa para lang makuha ang number nito. At tweet nga ni Johaima Pascual, Diyos ko Bugoy, wag ka nang dumagdag pa. Sarado na ang pinto, may nanalo na.
Yun, may ilaw sa loob yun eh.
Diba para sa...
Malamang naalala niya yan.
Oo, naalala, tapos kinalimutan niya na
Actually, nandito siya ngayon.
Hoy, wala siya.
Po natin. Let's
Wala
all
siya.
welcome.
Ay! Wala.
Luka-luka talaga si Charis. Pero yun na nga, si Barbie nga yun, para daw siya may ring of light kasi super puti.
Wala siya. Si kasi
sabihin mo na.
Si Barbie Fortesa. Oo, si Barbie. Dito to, real talk. Gusto ko siya. Ang ganda talaga ni Barbie, di ba?
Oo.
Parang
may ano yun, may ilaw sa loob yun eh.
Di ba parang may sariling moonlight?
Oo.
Anyways.
True, parang may sarili ng ring light si Barbie. Super super puti talaga, super pretty. At super bata ng itsura niya.
Marcos Highway. Sabi ko sa driver ko, dali mo, habulin mo yung kotse. Kasama niya pa yung yung nanay tatay niya. Hinahabol ko sa kotse. Barbie! Barbie! Ano number mo? Ano number mo? Sige lang. Unahin mo yung motor. Kasi talagang hinahabol namin.
Nakamotor kayo?
Hindi, unahan mo yung motor.
Okay.
Talagang hinahabol
Naku, si Charis di nakikinig, no?
ko siya sa kotse. Tapos nakuha ko namin na.
Ang cute naman.
Ano lang yan, parang crush.
Oo, parang ano ka lang nun, 9? 8? 9?
Hindi naman, sobra naman yan.
Nung Jeje, ma'am?
Hindi, ang 9 ako, mga Jezabel ako niya.
Nahuli yung Jezebel. Nahuli ba ang Jeje mo?
Oo,
At next naman ay post ng Mix Global, It's Definitely Not a Lie. Celebrating his birthday today, actor turned recording artist David Licauco gives his fans a closer look at his personality and his debut single, I Think I Love You, in a fun sit-down with VJ Aya. Catch the full video on Mix YouTube channel. Let's watch it.
Hey there, Mix fam, it's VJ Aya bringing the flavor, and our special guest today has worn so many hats throughout his life. He just came out of the Pinoy Big Brother house after releasing his single, I Think I Love You. Everyone, let's all welcome our pambansang ginoo, David Licauco.
Ayan na, the handsome David Licauco.
Mix. I'm a fan of Mix.
Ay, really?
Yeah.
Ginusto mo ba maging VJ before?
Parang. Basta I just remember, bago pumasok ng school, when I was in high school, inaabangan ko talaga yung Mix Daily Top 10. Diba? Kasi parang, uy, number 1 na ba yung Narda? Tanda ako na, ano?
Ay, Narda, di ba mga 2000s na yun? 2000 something.
Ano yung Narda?
Oo naman.
Sige nga.
Ay, ba't ako pinasample? Ikaw ang
Ay, hindi. Dapat ikaw kasi kayo yung DJ.
Huwag na. Kaya nga nag-VJ ako, hindi nag-singer.
Okay.
Recording artist nung katabi ko.
Okay,
Sige, walang magsasample for today. Okay, I wanna ask, syempre, since releasing the single, are you used to being called a recording artist now? How has everything been? You've been saying na you've been loving life.
Ayun na nga, medyo blurred nga yung video kay BJ Aya para hindi makita yung cleavage.
Pero kamusta ka talaga?
With regards to becoming a recording artist, definitely something that I never expected, that's for sure. So far, I am enjoying it. It's nice to see yourself on Spotify, see yourself on, iTunes, diba?
Yes.
So yeah, I mean, hopefully I get used to it and hopefully I get to do more songs because I think it's another avenue for you to, express yourself, express your feeling.
Kaya nga, karirin mo na kasi yung pagsayaw nung song mo para maganda yung performance mo, di ba? Para bumenta siya.
Oo naman.
Lang alam, no?
Ganun talaga, expressive ka na dapat kasi artist ka na.
Tama. Okay.
But you mentioned na you didn't want to be a celebrity at first. But of course, andito ka na. And you didn't expect also you want to be a recording artist. Pero nakwento mo kanina na mahilig ka talaga kumanta.
Yeah.
So, do you play the guitar? When did it start na nag-start ka kumanta-kanta to explore your voice at home?
Actually, sa KTV with my friends and sometimes sa car. I mean, I'm a very shy person when it comes to things na I'm not good at, So, siguro sa banyo lang, ganyan. But then, syempre,
Grabe, typical person talaga, KTV, sa car, tapos sa banyo, o di mo na nag-practice.
nagkaroon na ako ng recording na plano. I had to really, practice, do voice lessons.
True, in-embody mo na talaga.
Siyempre, feeling. Yung suot ko nga ngayon, medyo iba eh. Medyo off-brand tayo today.
Fun side naman.
Popstar.
Rockstar na next. Dapat ka.
Wow, popstar.
Feeling popstar.
Alright, at dahil popstar ka na, lahat ng popstar dito sa Mix, we play a game with.
Oh, wow.
So this is called Lyric Laglagan.
Lyric Laglagan.
Yeah, so the mechanics are, I'll read you a line of your song, and then you have to spot the mistake within 3 seconds.
Oh, okay.
Pag hindi mo na spot yung mistake, syempre I'll ask you a question.
Right, let's do it.
So the first line, very easy. Nasa first part ng song mo to. You're so perfect, I know it'll be worth it. The moon I've been searching, I found it tonight. 3, 2,
No. Tama naman ah.
No, mali. Yung moon, dapat star. The star.
Hala, hindi memorize. Hindi na-distract siguro si Dido sa pa-cleavage.
I've been searching. Naku, pop moon ka ba? Pop
Hindi
star
kasi,
ka.
sa totoo lang, ano lang talaga, nahiya kasi ako kasi ni-interview ako ng ex. Kaya nakalimutan ko.
Okay lang, ano lang yan? Stage fright lang, stage fright. Okay, sige.
Naku, puro na lang nahiya yung dahilan. Sa lahat ng bagay.
Dahil hindi ka nakaligtas sa first question natin.
Okay, go.
This is, first lyric.
Game.
This is my question for you. If you were to write another song naman, so this is more about love, diba? Ano naman yung paghuhugutan mo sa next song?
I think it would be nice na, diba si Taylor Swift lagi yung past. I think it would be nice to incorporate the past, maybe. Siguro para mas ma-feel mo. But of course, you'll have to get into that emotional state again.
Yes.
Baka hindi maganda yun. Hindi ko alam.
Ang kara ng past.
Ay, wow, may pinaghuhugutan pala si Dido sa mga past niya.
Diba? I don't know. Yeah. Something like that for sure.
Okay, let's see. Look forward
Baka
to
may
it.
suggestion ka?
Ay, mamaya.
Sige.
Marami akong notes. Okay, next lyric. Hindi ako nagbibiro na ikaw laman ng puso ko.
Kantayin mo kasi, hindi ko maintindihan.
Yun nga yung challenge eh.
Okay, last go.
Kailangan, hindi ako nagbibiro na ikaw laman ng puso ko. Sige, bigyan ko 5 seconds.
Hindi ako nagbibiro na ikaw laman ng isip ko.
Yes, tama.
Iingay niya palang na-gets yung game.
Okay, pasado.
Nice.
Next one. Gusto kitang isayaw sa ilalim ng bituin. 3, 2,
Ang buwan.
tama. Tinatagalan ko para hindi ka na sumagot ng question.
Ay nako, David, pasalamat ka talaga kay BJ Aya.
Next, ito bibilisan ko.
Oy.
I don't know what you're on if you're dancing alone, but I'm here waiting, standing all night.
All alone.
Mali.
All day.
Mali.
Hep.
Hooray? So,
Ay nako, David.
the wrong lyric is, but I'm here waiting, standing all night.
Oh,
Dapat
standing.
staying.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So, next question ko naman sa'yo. What was the feeling like when you heard yourself professionally for the first time?
Medyo nag-cringe ako na slide, to be honest.
Gets.
Diba? Baka ikaw din. Kumakanta ka ba?
No. CR lang din.
CR lang din. So, siguro next time, nagkaroon ka. I cringe at myself. Parang, this is really me, ganon. But then eventually, as I listened more to it, I learned naman to appreciate it. Okay.
You got used to it naman.
Yeah.
Were you like that then when you first started acting? Parang nag-cringe ka rin ba?
Yeah, that's for sure.
In all fairness naman, magaling naman si VJ Aya.
Oo, parang pag pinapanood mo yung sarili mo, parang, ganon. Yeah.
Okay, you'll get over it.
Yeah.
Ang ganda, LSS na nga ako sa song mo.
Kantayin mo yun mamaya sa banyo,
Pwede sa KTV naman, para
Pwede.
level up naman. Naka-mic na.
Sige.
Banyo talaga.
Okay, next lyric. Okay. Sana naman iyong saluhin, puso kong unti-unti nang nahuhulog papunta sa'yo. O sige, unti-unti nang nahuhulog papunta sa'yo. Nandun yung mali.
Unti-unti nang na...
2, 1, 1.5.
Unti-unti nang
1.3.
nahuhulog patungo sa'yo.
Yeah, tama.
Okay.
Binibigyan na kita ng pass.
Oh, thank you so much. Magaling ka nga talaga ng courtside reporter.
Ay,
Na DJ
True. Pina-follow nga ni David si VJ Aya. Parang sa UAAP pa yata kilala niya na si VJ Aya. Nung courtside reporter pa to at malamang si James kilala rin siya.
ngayon.
Na VJ na ngayon. Thank you sa pag-promote ng mga ginagawa ko sa buhay. Guys, recording artist, entrepreneur, actor, endorser, model. Okay, ito, last 2 na to ha. Manatili ka lang sa akin, nagkakandara pa, tuwing hindi ka katabi.
Hindi ka kapiling.
Ay, tama! Ang bilis! Okay, last. For sure, makukuha mo na to. I think I love you, it's not a lie.
It's not It's
correct!
Yeah.
Talingin na siya. Very, alert ka today. Uy,
Yeah.
konti lang mali mo, David. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
For
Dapat naman, no? Siyempre, song niya yan.
Winning our game, wala kaming prize.
Akala ko pa naman meron.
Kaya pala ginalingan mo.
Kasi
Sorry.
promote mo na lang sa mix yung ano.
Oo naman, ikaw ang mag-promote sa mix.
Okay.
Grabe. Inutusan si BJA na i-promote yung song.
Hey Gen Mix, it's David Licauco here. I hope that you support I Think I Love You, now out on all streaming platform. And sana malagay sa Mix Daily Top 10. Andun na yun sa ano? 199.
Grabe, pero top 5 ka yun sa iTunes.
Yeah, thank you.
So,
Ayun na nga. So, congrats, David.
congratulations, David. Thank you for being super, super game. Sayang, wala ko masyadong natanong. But of course, it shows na you're just as good as knowing your own song.
As I should.
Dapat naman talaga, no?
Okay, congrats. I hope to see you perform in the future.
Yeah.
Sana album or another single. Let's see.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
I hope to see you also in Mix.
Thank you, David, once again. Thank you, Universal Records, for the chance to interview the newest recording artist.
Thank you,
we'll
Thea.
see you next time.
And thank you, Mix.
And there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!